niya may puti, no? Siguro. Hindi na ito yung bago ka mo. Ano yung cute?
Ang cute. Doon nga po. Ayun, yung pao. May baby? Baka po, baka. Bear? Ang cute. Grabe, kahit ang kalori. Ganun din yung nandun, di ba? Yan ba yan? Okay. Yung nandoon. Baka ito po yung isa. Ay, ito ba? Sure, mommy. Pa, dali. Yan, tignan sa kayo.
Smallest species of hybrids to be found in Africa on the continent itself. They will grow up to 1.2 to 1.5 meters long and weigh up to 2 kilograms.
Haba ng haba ng naka
Mapipitan ako.
super nalig siguro sa mga kabila.
Ang tawag na?
Orangutan. Orangutan. Alin? Dami ng kalahi mo, te. Kalahi. Ay, sa kabila.
Orang-utan.
As well as the Mahutu. Saluting from the left, that is the Prula with Mahout Paul. In the middle, that will be Gambe and Mahout Udea. And last but not least, the star of our show, that is Jati with Mahout Rar. Welcoming all of you to the Elephant at Play. Now the ears, come on, propelling off the trunks, one foot off the ground. You can do this. Hey, what happened to the takeoff? What? Oh, they only fly on weekends? Alright, come back on Saturday and Sunday, everyone, and you will see flying elephants. Of course, that's just the Who's are having some fun. Right now, back to more guiding techniques. The Who's are showing us how they guide the elephants backwards and forwards. And just in case we have got clumsy Mahouts, no worries, elephants to the rescue, picking up the guiding sticks and returning them to their favorite Mahouts. Thank you, ladies. Now, an elephant's trunk is an extension of its upper lip and it comprises of more than 40,000 different muscle units, making it strong enough to push. Is that a coin, Gambe? Alright, in case that coin is a bit too small for you, let's try it with something bigger. Okay, let's try your hat. Okay. Okay, Gambe, come on. Gambe! Udea's head! Gambe! Hey! You didn't hear your Mahuda. It's Udea's head! Hey, Gambe! What's happening? Oh, she thought it's her head. Alright. Okay. Mahout Udea says it's a different technique now, sucking up the hat, walking over to her favorite Mahout. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are gonna see just how intelligent elephants can get. Believe it or not, Gambe is actually taking aim. And she places gently on her Mahout's head. A few gentle taps to make sure it's in place. Words of thanks and for being so patient. That's behavior, reaching for that clone of bananas. Just like how elephants in the wild would reach for young and juicy leaves high up in trees. Taking over, now that is Gambe being very busy this afternoon. She will be showing us just how strong those hind legs can get. The idea is to kick the log all the way into the water. Come on, Gambe, you've got this. Got a pretty tricky situation at hand. A few more pushes, Gambe, and well done. Oh no, one more push. And there we go. Now let's finish it off with your famous salute. Looking very beautiful today. Alright, as we mean all of this action, it's always time to have some fun. And Jati is gonna show us just how they have some. She has some fun. Come on, Jati! Come see the huge splash, showing us just what raw elephant power is all about. On that note, it gives us enough time to get to know more about our elephants, and I will start with Gambe. Gambe is on land walking backwards, and Gambe is a Malaysian elephant. She's 28 years old this year, but then despite being well into her 20s and approaching her 30s, she's one of the cheekiest elephants we've got. She loves playing with rubber balls that the Mahoos make just for the elephants. In the waters, on the other hand, that is Aprila. Now Aprila is one of our younger elephants. She is 23 years old. And believe it or not, she is a Sumatran elephant, but then despite being only 23 years old, she will show us that she is coping with the older ladies just as well. Come on, Aprila. Up the lot. gentlemen who's decided to train all the elephants in the same language as well. Rama! What? Why are you asking people to clap? All of the elephants. Oh. There you go. See, Game took your carrot. Okay, Rama, put in front. Come on, Jati. Okay, not working. How about we bribe her with something? Let me try the apple. Okay, hey. Rama, see? Second time, Rama. Oh no. Okay. Apple too small. Okay, how about we try her favorite fruit? The durian. Huh? Oh, some snacks before bed. Okay, down you go, Jati. And we have come to the end of the elephant presentation. Rama, token feeding time. And up, Jati comes with the help of Gambe. Hey, Rama, stop clapping, look behind. Come on, Jati, up. That's a good girl. Alright, we have come to the end of the elephant presentation. But before that, our ladies have got one last thing to say. Asian